श्री कृष्ण गोविंद माधवाय श्री राधा रमण मधुसूदनाय। Arjuna said, O mighty armed one, I wish to understand the Parapujaya renunciation and of the renounced order of life. O killer of the Keshi demon, master of the senses, Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The supreme personality of Godhead said, the giving up of activities that are based on material desire is what great Lord men call the renounced order of life, and giving up the results of all activities is what the wise call renunciation. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Swamalanda Mena declared that all kinds of fruitive activities should be given up as faulty, yet others against maintain that acts of sacrifice, charity and penance should never be abandoned. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. O best of the Bharatas, now hear my judgment about renunciation. O tiger among men, renunciation is declared in the scriptures to be of three kinds. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Acts of sacrifice, charity and penance are not to be given up. They must be performed. Indeed, sacrifice, charity and penance purify even the great souls. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. All these activities should be performed without attachment or any expectation of a result. They should be performed as a matter of duty, O son of Pritha. That is my final opinion. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Prescribed duties should never be renounced. If one gives up these prescribed duties because of illusion, such renunciation is said to be in the mode of ignorance. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Anyone who gives up prescribed duties as a troublesome or out of fear of bodily discomfort is said to have renounced in the mode of passion. Such action never leads to the elevation of renunciation. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. O Arjuna, when one performs his prescribed duty only because it ought to be done, and renounces all material association and all attachment to the fruit, his renunciation is said to be in the mode of goodness. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. The intelligent renouncers situated in the mode of goodness, neither hateful of inauspicious work nor attached to auspicious work, has no doubt about work. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. It is indeed impossible for an embodied being to give up all activities, but he who renounces the fruits of action is called one who has truly renounced. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya श्रीराधारमण मधुसूदनाय. For the one who is not renounced the threefold fruits of action, desirable, undesirable, and makes a crew after death, but those who are in the renounced order of life have no such results to suffer or enjoy. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. O mighty Arjuna, according to the Vedanta, there are 5 causes for the accomplishment of all action. Now learn of this from me. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. The place of action, the performer, the various senses, the many different kinds of endeavor, and ultimately the super soul, these are the 5 factors of action. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya.